guys, what's up? We're here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for another Phoenix Rising / General Park update. Let's go inside and see what's new. And it's not too bad of a line to get into the park. It is a Monday. And over by Gwazi, they have a new food kiosk called Gwazi Dogs. There was another photo here, but they did update it to a, the traditional logo of Iron Gwazi. So yeah, that's open. And then here's the menu. We got a $13.69 for the all beef hot dog, and then chips, and then draft beer. It has a seasonal cocktail, water, and soda. And the wait time for Iron Gwazi today on a Monday is a 40-minute wait. Of course, the Food and Wine Festival is still going on, but that's on the weekend, so yeah. So I don't know if you guys remember from the Mardi Gras video, but remember when they had the fleur-de-lis in the middle of this area here over by Kangaloom? But this time they have these portraits here, or these paintings at least. They have like a meerkat, a robin, over here they have a ladybug, and here they have a tiger. A couple of them are by different artists, but yeah, pretty cool looking. I'm guessing they're probably for food and wine, or maybe they're up a little bit longer. And while we're here, we might as well check out the Kangaloom area. Let's go. Looks like we got nap time going on. I love the one on its back there. That's so cute. He is done for the day. So last time where we had that spot in the exit where you can look through the little clear viewing window, looks like it's under construction again. So wonder what they're doing over there. Over at the Busch Gardens Pink Chickens area, don't see any issues. Looking good to me. And yeah, it looks like for Easter they did a little bit of decorating here. They have a little photo op over by the Pink Chicken, so they have Happy Easter from Busch Gardens, a little carrot, a little like vegetable garden scene with a bunny. So yeah. And we never really go inside, but today we're gonna check out Lori Landing and see the birds. So I like to call these imposter pink chickens, but they're actually called, looks like roseate spoonbills. But yeah, they're pretty cool looking. I like their little like beak there. That's cool. And over here we have the Abdim's stork. So yeah, another bird here. It's got cool little like iridescent feathers. So yeah, I guess we're gonna be having a nature channel now. And then out here they got some really big hyacinth macaws. So yeah, outside. Well, no riding the sky ride today. Oh well, maybe next time. So unfortunately, Falcon's Fury is down today, and I can probably guess it's due to the winds. But yeah, Falcon's Fury, no views from there, so. Alright, and we are over by the site, and I can see something peeking up over there. Let's go around and see what's up. Alright guys, so that's going to do it from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for our Phoenix Rising construction update. We got to check out the area, and looks like the lift hill is complete, as well as the station walls are going on up there. We've got some footers, and also it looks like the drop is going on in there, and also we got to visit some animals. Of course, you guys know we're going to be back, so follow us on our socials, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!